how to add gifts to Shopify store. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your online store, then simply click on customize, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go on and copy the gift that you want to pay to add to your Shopify store. So I'm gonna right click on this, then I'm gonna copy it, then I'm gonna go to Shopify and I'm gonna paste it right here. And as you can see, you can simply select if you want also. So if you want, you can add images. So let me save this. So let's see if I can download it. So let's see, save as, and let's see now if it's working. So basically you're gonna have to save it and then simply upload it to your Shopify uh, store. Here, as you can see, you can select it, click on done, and as you can see, we have the GIF right here. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.